So welcome again. Now we will solve question number 2. What is question number 2? It is of class 6 math and exercise number 1.3. So we'll solve this. The question is, you give a rough estimate by rounding up to the nearest 100. Okay, for nearest 100 we will round off the numbers and then we will find the answer of the sums or the subtractions, whatever it is, and give a closure estimate. This was the rough estimate and this was the closure estimate. How to find the closure estimate? By rounding up nearest tens. Okay, so both the solutions we will find for each of A, B, C and D. For all we will find out. Okay, so first of all we will start with A, and there is a second part also of the question, that make 4 such examples. Means examples of like these we have to make 4 and then solve it also. So first question we will solve it here first, then means A part, and then B part, then C part, then D part. Then at the end of it we will make 4 such examples of our own, and then we will find the closure estimate and rough estimate both. Okay, so for A we will start. So it is 439 plus 334 plus 4317. Okay, so we need to find the nearest 100 first of all, because we want to find a rough estimate. Okay, so finding a rough estimate, finding rough estimate. Okay, so how we'll find the rough estimate? By rounding up to nearest 100. If we round up this to nearest 100, it will become 400. Okay, because it is this number is less than 50, so it will be considered as base as 4, so 400. Similarly this will be 300, because these two digits are less than 50. Similarly for this one, this is 17, so for 100 we will consider last two digits only. So here it will come 4300. Okay, so how much will be the answer? Answer will come as 5000. Okay, I think you got my point. If you add up this and this, it will be 500. Now finding this was the rough estimate. Okay, and the second what we have to find out is the closure estimate. Okay, so closure estimate how we'll find? By rounding up to nearest 10. Okay, finding closure estimate. Okay, so for 439 we'll write it again, 334 plus 4317. Okay, so when we will write this as nearest 10, so we'll consider this only last digit. So last digit is greater than 5, so it will be taken as the higher ones. Okay, so what is the higher tens of the 39? Is 40, so it will be 440. And for this one it is less than 5, so it will be considered as a lower one, so it will be 330. And similarly this one 7 is there, so will be considered as higher one, so this will become 2 and this will become 0, so it will be 4320. Okay, and now we'll sum it. It will be 0, 2 and 3 is 5, 5 and 4 is 9, and 3 is 6, and 6 and 4 is 10. Okay, so it will come 0. Okay, and 4 and means carry over 1 is 5. Okay, so this is the answer. So you can see that by rough estimate we were getting 5000, and for means closure estimate we have found 5090. Okay, so closure estimate we are close to the actual one. Okay, now we'll take the B part of the question. Is this one 108734 minus 47599, 108734. Okay, B part is 108734, and second one is 47599 minus 47599. Okay, so first of all we will find rough estimate. Okay, rough estimate of this one. Okay, this subtraction. So for finding rough estimate we will round up to nearest 100. Okay, for the last two digits are 3 4, so nearest 100 will be 700, last one 108700. Okay, and for this one here it is last two digits are 99, it is more than means 50, so this digit will be increased by 1, it means it is nearest to 600. Okay, so it will be 47600. Okay, now we can subtract it and find our answer. So it is 0 0, then 7 is subtracted by 6, so 1, and then 108 minus 47, we can write it directly also, but we will solve it one by one. So we subtract 8 to 7, then we get 1, and then we have 10 here and we have 4 here, subtract 6. Okay, so this is the rough estimate. Okay, now we'll find the closure estimates. Okay, closure estimate. Okay, so closure estimate. So for closure estimate we need to round off to nearest 10. Okay, so it is 108734 minus 47599. So this nearest 10 of this one is 30, so it's equal to 108730 minus its what is this nearest, can you tell us? Okay, so 47, this is 600, 47600. Okay, so here how will subtract it? Same way, from 0 and 3, and here it is 0, so we'll subtract, then we'll get 3, and then 7 to 6 is 1, and here 8 to 7 is 1, and 10 to 4 is 6. Okay, so here we got 61130, and here we got 61100. Okay, so this is the closure estimate, means this is closer to the real one. Okay, so this is the answer here, and now we'll have the third part, that is C part, 8325 minus 491. 8325 minus 491. Okay, 8325 sorry, 8325 minus 491 minus 491. Okay, so nearest, first of all we will find the rough estimate. Okay, so for rough estimate we need to get the nearest 100. Nearest 100 of this one, what will be? It is 325, so nearest 100 will be 300, so nearest 100 will be 8300. For this one, what will be the nearest 100? It will be 500. So what will be the answer here? It is 700. Okay, if you subtract 500 to 8300, this will the answer will come 700. Now we will find the closure estimate. Okay, so for closure estimate we'll write it again, 8325 minus 491. So since it is 5, so it will be considered as means 5, so it will be added, 1 will be added here, so it will come as 8330 minus what will be here? It is, since it is 1 less than 5, So it will be ignored and will come 0, and this will not change. So it will be 490. Okay. So how much the answer will come? It will be 0, and it will be here 4, and here it will become 2, because we have taken one, we have given 1 here. So it has become what, 13, and 13 is subtracted, means 9 is subtracted, then we get 4, and here after giving 1 it is 2 here, and from 2 we have to subtract 4, but it cannot be subtracted. We will take 1 here, 1 from 8, then it will come 12, we will subtract 4 from 12, we will get 8, and then here from 8, since 1 has gone, so it will come 7. Okay, so 7840, the closure is the 7840, and the rough is this one. Okay, now we'll take the fourth this one, the D part. D part is 489348. 489348. Okay, 489348 minus, what is minus? 489348 minus 48365. Okay, 48365. Okay, so we'll find, so first of all, rough estimate by rounding up to nearest 100. Okay, so for rounding up to nearest 100, we have to see the last 2 digits. If they are less than 50, then it will be ignored and kept at 0, and the 100 digit will not change. If it is more than 50, then it will be made at 0, but this third digit, means 100th place, will be increased by 1. So here it is less than 50, so it will be like 489300, because this is less than 50. And then second one, this is greater than 50, so this 3 will be increased by 1, because it is nearest to 400, because next 100 we have to take, closer 100 we have to take. So this is the procedure, and this is the method by which we solve like this. Okay, this one. So it will be, the answer will come as 0 0 9 0. Just a minute, I think we are going somewhere wrong. So we subtract, then 4, then we'll take 1 from here, so it will become 8, then 8 is subtracted, then we'll go 0, and then 4 is 4 and 4. So this is the answer by rough estimate. Now we'll go for closure estimate. For closure estimate, we'll round off to nearest 10. Okay, 489348 minus 48365. So if we go for nearest this 100, tens, then we will write as 49350. Okay, for this one nearest tens is 50, and for this one 483, this is 65, then consider as 70. Okay, now subtract it, so we'll get 0 here, then we'll get 8 here, and we'll get 9 here, and then 0 here. Okay, and 0 here, then from it 4 is here and 4 is here. Okay, so we have got the 48980, and by rough estimate we have got the 440900. Okay, so this is the complete solution of the A, B, C, D part. Okay, now we'll have to find, we have to take 4 other numbers, and then we will need to solve it. Okay, so first number, okay, let's take first number. Let's take first number as 5432. Okay, sorry, 5432 plus 6 2 1. Okay, so first of all we'll take a rough estimate by rounding up to 100. So rough estimate. Okay, so first of all we will this round up to nearest 100. So for if you round off, then we'll have 5400, because 32 is less than 50. This one is 600 because 21 is less than 50. So this will remain unchanged, means nearest 100 will be 600. Okay, so answer will come as 4800. And the closure estimate. How much will it be? It is 5432 minus 621. So nearest, this one tens will be 430 minus this one is equal to 620. So how much will come? 0 1, and this will be 48. Okay, this is the closure estimate. So now take some other example. We'll take subtraction example, and anything can be taken. Let's see, let's take 5-digit number, and let's take any number 47647. Okay, minus for this one you can take a 3-digit number, 865. Let's see, any number you can take. So now calculate the rough estimate. Okay, rough estimate. For rough estimate we need to round up to nearest 100. So first of all we means round up this one to nearest 100. What we will get? 47600. Why 00? Because its nearest 100 of this one is 600, because 47 is less than 50. Okay, minus 865, its nearest 100 is 900. Okay, so how much will come? 0 0, and here it is 6, then 7, and then it will be 6 and 4. Okay, this is the answer for this one. Okay, for closure estimate. Okay, let's go for the closure estimate. For closure estimate we need to round up to nearest 100. Okay, so 47, we will write it again, 47647 minus 865. Okay, so we'll round up this one to nearest 100. The 47 will become 50. So 47650, and then this one will write as 870. Okay, this nearest one is 70. Okay, so we'll write its answer, and answer will come like this: 0, and then it is 5, and here it is 7. So you will get 8 here, and 8 here, and here it is 5, and then it is 7 here, and then 6 here, and 4 here. Okay, so this is the closure estimate. Okay, now let's take third example. Okay, let's take means little larger number, 4 2 6 5 7 8, any number you can take, and plus 6 2 5 1, like this. Okay, so we'll have a rough estimate first. We are taking these numbers very randomly, whatever coming in our mind we are taking. So for rough estimate we need to round off to nearest 100. So since 7 8 is more than 50, so this will be nearest to 600, because it is last 2 digits are greater than 50. So instead of 5 it will become 6, and another is 0, 600. So it will become 4 2 6 and 600, plus what will become this one? It is nearest to, because it is 5 1, so it is nearest to higher one, means So 2 will become 3, it means 300. 251 is nearest to 300. So 6322. Okay. So it will be 0, 0, 9, 2, 2 and 3 and 4. Basically, the way I am adding or subtracting, you need to learn to add or subtract in your mind also. Okay, so that it will become easier for you in solving or the calculating. Okay, you can do it separately also. And let's take the closure estimate. Closure estimate. So how will get the closure estimate? By rounding up to nearest tens. So write again 4, 2, 6, 5, 7, 8 plus 6, 2, 5, 1. So its closest tens will be 4, 2, 6, 5, 8, 0 plus 6, 2, 5. Okay. So let's add up 0. This 0 added 0, and then 8 and 5 will become 13, 1 carry over, then 5 and 2 is 7, 1 carry over added, so 8, and then 6 and 6 will be 12, and 2 is coming here, and 1 carry over, so 1 carry will be added to 2, will become 3, and the 4 is added. Okay, so this is the closure estimate. Now let's take fourth example, because we need to take 4. So we'll take some subtraction. Let's take 3-digit number 8, 4, 2 minus let's take 1, 6, 5. Okay, very simple one. So we'll find the rough estimate first. Actually, whatever the examples we are taking very randomly. Whatever is coming to our mind, we are taking. Rough estimate, we need to this one round up to nearest 100. So for nearest 100, 842 will be 800, and for this one it will be 200. So it will become 600. For closure estimate, so for closure estimate 842 minus 165. So we'll round out to nearest 10. So this one 842 will become 840, and this one will become 170, and we will find 0, and then here we will have 7, and then this will become 7, and 1 is subtracted from 7 to 6. Okay, so this is the answer we have got. So I think you got my point and how I solved, and you understood the complete thing. And if you have any question or doubt, you just write into the comment below, and I will try to answer it. If you find any mistake also in my solution, just point out it, and I will take it positively and correct the mistake. So I think this is all for question number 2 of exercise 1.3 of class 6 maths of the NCERT book. So we'll meet again in the next question. This is all. Thank you.